G'day folks, it's time for a little on-site equipment autopsy. This thing's a bit too heavy for me to bring home, but I'm going to pull this control box and a few other bits off it before it gets crushed up with all the insize iron. As you can see, it was originally up the front and they were trying to sell it, but without the tooling for the turret and the manuals and the tool posts and things, this thing's pretty much useless unless you've already got one, and good luck finding someone who still runs old pegboard vacuum tube controllers. Nobody. So I'm gonna basically pull some of these micrometer dials and this control cabinet off for myself, and that's about it. It's hand wheels. There's a few bits and pieces there. Hydraulic or something. That's a bar feeder. What's left of a bar feeder. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's got to take these big cannon plugs off and basically lift the thing clean off the top. Is that wood? It's almost got a grain to it like it's wood. I don't think it is though. Yeah, interesting old machine. Lots of old solenoid valves. Might try and pull this manifold off as well. I'll see how much I can get. Realistically speaking. Oil pump. Poor old thing. Ew. Yeah, what a mess. Don't know how they did it. It's crazy tech. Solid wood. Pre-CNC, that's for sure. Big old fan. It's a big heavy fan. But yeah, there's also a Herbert screw cutting machine, or thread cutting machine. Herbert Crydan. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. I'm guessing this one's been parted out too. It's metric. Just stiff. Just take that grub screw out. Oh, it's a drawer style chuck. No use to me. Pressure reg. Oil pump. Main motor. 4 kilowatt. Yeah. The threading machine. Nothing's quite right about it. Dog clutch is still there. Not much in here though. Big chain. No oil left. A tiny dribble of oil in the bottom. Yeah, she ain't much use to anyone. Stuck with the gasket. I'll try and get that off and have a look. Now this control box is just sitting on rubber mounts. It just lifts up, so that's not going to be hard to get off. Okay, well I greatly underestimated what I needed to get into this thing, but the main thing is the box is off. I've got the box. That's the really important bit. The rest of it, I'm not so fussed about. A lot of this stuff is very old and worn, but you can sort of see how this thing works. It seems to be using very precise limit switches. There's no encoders on this, no linear scales. It predates all of that. The only thing I can figure is it's limit switch based and probably load based. Once it hits its stop, like a mechanical stop, it will load up and automatically sense that and cut out. I don't really know. I mean, this is long before glass scale encoders and basically rotary encoders, that sort of thing. It's very interesting though. Scale on there, ruler. Crusty old fittings. Most of this isn't worth touching really. The back end here, at least you've got all the stops for each tool turret. You can adjust the depth of each drill or whatever you're using individually per station. They're all numbered accordingly. Same with this. That would probably be feed stop or something. I don't know why there's two. Not sure.